Jah Rastafari. Give thanks and praise. One love, one heart, one destiny. Yeah. Listen to me now. She move like the river, smooth and free. From the motherland, she come to me. Her eyes them shine like the African star. No matter the distance, she nah go far. She carry the strength of 1,000 years. Through the struggle and pain, through the blood and the tears. But she smile like the sun when the morning come and me heart overflow. Yeah, she is the one. Oh, Jah know me feel it deep. This kind of love me want to keep. From the roots of Africa to the Caribbean Sea. This love was written in our destiny. African love, sweet like sugar cane. Wash away the sorrow, wash away the pain. African love, roots and culture strong. In our love we can do no wrong. African love, pure as the morning dew. Everything me ever need, me find it in you. African love, hear the ancestors sing from the motherland. Oh, what joy you bring. From Kingston to Accra, one people, one blood. We rise up together from the dust and the mud. The drum beat of Africa living on my soul. Jah music gonna make the broken heart whole. The elders them told me, never forget your roots. Stand firm like cotton tree, hold on to your fruits. For the land of our fathers still calling our name. Through the reggae and the rhythm we rise up again. Oh, Jah know me feel it deep. This kind of love me want to keep. From the roots of Africa to the Caribbean Sea. This love was written in our destiny. Love, sweet like sugar cane. Wash away the sorrow, wash away the pain. African love, roots and culture strong. In our love we can do no wrong. African love, pure as the morning dew. Everything me ever need, me find it in you. African love, hear the ancestors sing from the motherland. Oh, what joy you bring. Rise up, the morning is here. Babylon can't hold us, nothing to fear. Africa to Jamaica, one vibration. Your love unite every nation. We've been through the fire, we've been through the flood, but the love of the mother runs deep in our blood. No weapon shall prosper, no chain gonna bind. African love living deep in the mind. Me close me eyes and me see the plains. The savannah stretching under tropical rains. The baobab tree standing tall and proud, and the voice of the ancestors calling out loud. They say, hold on son, don't let go. Let the roots of Africa steady your soul. For the love of this land will carry you through. African love will always be true. African love, sweet like sugar cane.